Okay, today is Friday, March 10th, and today was a pretty bad day for me. I lost about $650 on my evaluation account today. So, pretty rough overall, but we'll get right into how the market played today and what happened. Wasn't as bad as yesterday because yesterday I blew my evaluation account, my first one ever. Today, this was actually a brand new evaluation account. I'm still running the 80% off, so I figured just why not get another one real quick for 36 bucks. But today was equally as tough for me. We're right on the back of the SVB banking situation, which I'm pretty sure caused the market sell off yesterday. And today was a little strange. I think there's still a lot of fear in the market, and people were still kind of expecting more of a sell off after yesterday. And I actually was caught up in that as well. I came in today with a pretty heavy bias on having continuation in the market and continuing selling off. And I think that kind of manifested itself in my trades today as just getting sloppy and kind of almost already expecting like I knew something was going to happen in the market. And that was not actually the case. So, as you can see, for the first like 2 or 3 hours that we were open, we were kind of just ranging. We didn't really do anything special. And then we didn't make a move and kind of break the original range until 1 o'clock. And then we had some more moves, but the morning session from like 9:30 to 12 was a lot more tame. The moves seemed a little bit more predictable, more traditional moves, more normal, I guess, as you could say. And then the afternoon just felt really choppy and kind of really trappy at the same time. I was out of my comfort zone almost the entire time trading today, and I made one trade pre-market, which was right at 8:30 here. I went long on this position here because this was kind of bull flagging in my opinion. This was kind of on the tail end of news, and I went long right about 8:54. Ended up rejecting off of this 39.42 and selling off the rest of the morning. So that kind of put me in a funk, and I didn't end up trading basically until we got to about 1 o'clock, and then I started trading kind of down here and in the rest of the afternoon. I'm going to go over to my Ninja Trader, and you're going to kind of see how many trades I did, and I'm going to also discuss like what my plans are to be better about this. Here's my first trade this morning. I got stopped out on this long. This is the 5-minute chart, so let me switch over to the 1 minute. Okay, so let's do. Here's the first trade. I don't know why I can't zoom out. And here were all of my other trades. So this first trade was about 1 o'clock. And then I had a series of other chases down here. So at one point, a couple of these trades, I was making some money. I would scalp. I'd get 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 150 bucks, and then I would lose 250 or 300, and then I'd bounce back with another, 150 win, and then another 150 loss. And then at the end of the day, it started just one or two big losses that I got stopped out on because the volatility was pretty wild, and my stops, I guess I was chasing the whole time. And if you look at it, most of my exits today were stops. So here's a stop, here's a stop, stop, stop. This was my last one. As you can tell, a lot of wicks today, a lot of large movement, and I just felt like it was pretty unpredictable for the most part. It didn't feel like a normal trading day at all. It felt like there was so much fear and volatility in the market. I was just pretty out of my comfort zone the whole time, and I'm using this more as like a learning situation. And today was actually pretty discouraging. I didn't blow my account. I still have it, so that's obviously positive. But just in general, I'm feeling pretty discouraged, and I'm hoping to use this as an opportunity to maybe start making some changes. And I wrote down a couple of things here I want to discuss as I'm talking through this. So 2 things I have written down. I'm going to change my trading strategy, at least in the short term. Maximum 3 trades per day. I'm saying this right here, right now. Maximum 3 trades per day. And I want to be able to say that moving forward for all of my following video recaps that I have on here. I want to be able to prove that. So if anybody's watching, please hold me to that. Otherwise, and then number 2, prioritize education and learning. I'll be completely frank, I have neglected a lot of my education. I think for every 6 to 10 hours, maybe even 15 hours, for every 10 to 15 hours of trading I'm doing, I have maybe 30 minutes to an hour of education. And with somebody as new at trading as I am, that's absolutely unacceptable. It really should be the opposite way. It should be, 10 to 15 hours of education and learning, and then 30 minutes to an hour of trading. So my goals here are to limit my trading to 1, 2, 3 trades a day, hopefully to increase the quality of my setups, and not be chasing things just because I can, more of like trying to play off my levels, set everything, let the market come to me, determine if it's a decent A plus setup, and then go ahead and take that. And if it doesn't work, I'm done after 3. So, and then prioritizing education. So that will at least keep me off of the charts as much, so I can sit in front of educational videos, take notes, watch seminars, read books. So that's the plan. I'm going to stick to it. I'm hoping to change things up. So I understand we didn't do as much on the charts or the breakdowns of trades, but this is sloppy. This is not anything anybody should see. I lost $650 today on my account. I still have the active account, so we're going to try to turn this thing around slowly but surely and to be a little bit more disciplined. So that is all I have today, and I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend. Peace.